Hi, this is the Business Guy. So should you protect your assets or file for bankruptcy? Today we're diving into a tale of two worlds, the perilous path of bankruptcy versus the supreme safeguard of an asset protection trust. So buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride through financial wisdom. The debt monster's grip. Now imagine for a moment, you're sailing smoothly on a sea of success, but then the storm clouds of debt gather and you're considering the SOS signal of bankruptcy. Let's face it, sometimes things go south. Unexpected medical bills, a bad investment, a global pandemic, looking at you 2020, and then suddenly you're up to your eyeballs in debt. Now what you have to understand is that asking a bankruptcy attorney if you should file for bankruptcy is like asking a dog if it's hungry. Of course a bankruptcy attorney is going to say that you should file for bankruptcy. But before you hit the bankruptcy button, let me tell you, it isn't sunshine and rainbows. Here's the thing. Filing for bankruptcy is like inviting a pirate aboard your ship. Enter the bankruptcy trustee, a savvy private attorney who's not a government employee, but has enough power to rummage through your treasure chest. Big Brother is not here to help you. The truth is, Uncle Sam has some scary, powerful collection tools at his disposal. We're talking about draining your bank account, auctioning off your house and other real estate, auctioning off your business, putting liens on about everything you own. It's like a scene out of The Godfather, but instead of Luca Brasi, it's a guy in a bad suit with a stack of paperwork. Enter the bankruptcy trustee, not your knight in shining armor. Now some folks think bankruptcy is their knight in shining armor, coming to take the stress away. But hold on a sec, the trustee, the person supposedly helping you, is actually a private attorney, not some government saint. And guess what? They get paid a percentage of what they squeeze out of you. So filing for bankruptcy is like hiring a debt collector to, well, collect debt from you. And the longer they drag it out, the more they make. That is, while you're gasping for air, fighting for your financial life, the longer the trustee can drag out the case, the more they can convince the judge that they can charge for their hourly fees plus a percentage of the spoils. And in their little continuing legal education classes, they show them studies where bringing the wife into the deposition, pounding her with emotionally draining questions, results in higher settlements. So they'll sue your spouse, they'll sue your children, they'll sue your parents, or threaten to do so in order to put such psychological pressure on you that you'll pay them whatever they want just to get the monster off your back. I'm not kidding. They really do teach psychological torture in their CLE classes. My experience from being in the business for 33 years. If you have significant assets, avoid bankruptcy at all costs. The Cook Islands Trust, your offshore oasis. But wait, there is a better way, and let me introduce you to the Cook Islands Trust. It's the ultimate asset protection tool. It's like a financial fortress in a tropical island, shielding your hard-earned cash from the clutches of bankruptcy and lawsuits. I've been setting up Cook Islands Trusts for 28 years, and my team and I at Asset Protection Planners have set up more Cook Islands Trusts than anyone on the planet. The beauty of the Cook Islands Trust. So here's the magic. A Cook Islands Trust owns an LLC, which in turn can have an offshore brokerage or bank account. This means that you can trade stocks online, all while keeping your assets safe. Need groceries? No problem. Use the debit card linked to the account. It's like financial freedom with a tropical twist. Case study, from bankruptcy to beach bliss. Let me tell you about Steve, a real estate investor who got slammed in a real estate crash. He was facing bankruptcy, but then he discovered the Cook Islands Trust. Steve was able to restructure his finances, protect his assets, and even rebuild his portfolio. Now he's living the dream life on a beach in Florida thanks to the power of asset protection. The asset protection lifestyle beyond just the trust. In the Cook Islands Trust, it's just one piece of the puzzle. And I'm talking about a whole asset protection lifestyle. It's about smart financial planning, multiple income streams, and living below your means. It's about being proactive, not just reactive. Think of it like this. Would you rather be scrambling to save your assets during a financial storm or be chilling on a beach with a Mai Tai in your hand, knowing you're protected. Now picture Darren, a real-life captain of industry whose ship nearly sank under the weight of legal battles. Darren, before discovering the power of asset protection, faced the kraken of bankruptcy. His assets poised to be plundered. His future as murky as the depths of the Mariana Trench. But then Darren made a pivotal choice. He anchored his assets in a Cook Islands trust, transforming his situation from dire to desirable. Now he trades stocks online in his offshore account from his beachfront villa, pays his bills with a swipe, and yes, buys eggs with that ninja-like prowess. You might be thinking, but business guy, I'm no Darren. And to that I say, we're all captains of our own financial ships. Statistics show that an alarming number of Americans are just a lawsuit or medical emergency away from considering bankruptcy. The power of the bankruptcy trustee, the sharp teeth of federal collection laws, they don't discriminate. But here's your lifeline. The Cook Islands Trust, a beacon of hope in a sea of uncertainty, charting your course. So as we dock our ship at the end of today's journey, remember the choice between the murky waters of bankruptcy and the serene safety of the Cook Islands Trust is yours. Are you ready to live the asset protection lifestyle, to trade with freedom and buy groceries like a financial ninja? I'm the business guy, your navigator on the vast ocean of asset protection. So don't let the debt monster win. If you're serious about protecting your hard-earned wealth and building a secure future, head over to our website at assetprotectionplanners.com. There, you'll find a free guide on the Cook Islands Trust and other asset protection strategies. Remember, knowledge is power and financial freedom is the ultimate prize. All right, that's it for today. Until next time, keep your business growing and your money protected. This is the Business Guy.